we're at part 4 of my new slot car collection. Here we go. Made by Carrera, a Pontiac GTO. Let's see the other side of the mirror there. Ooh. Year escapes me on this. It probably will on the trick. Might have a scratch on the roof. There's a 2007 Chevy Camaro. Pretty sure these are all 1/32 scale. There to see. 2007 Chevy Camaro. '32 Ford Hot Rod. Pretty. All these cars, so you can see there's a little screw on the bottom here. They're all screwed into these bases. I can probably keep much better on these bases. Everything is in really decent shape. Really decent shape. Alright. 41 Willys. And I don't know if I said this in any of my other videos, but anybody interested in, I got a lot of track with this collection that I recently acquired, and I'm going to be setting up a nice track in my garage. I have a 2-car garage on one half. Send me a message, let me know, come over, we can race together. I mean, I certainly got a lot of cars to, let's go to 1965, Ford Mustang. These are good looking cars. Yeah. It's a little tack on the dash there. I don't know if you noticed that or not, but the wipers. And the license plate says Pony Express. Dodge Shelby Cobra. I used to, back in Palos Hills, Illinois, there was a slot car track there that I went to a long time ago. It was good fun. I mean, it was good fun. It's an old Porsche. Lots of nice classic cars in here too. I mean, this is a Fly. made by Fly. My Porsche 908, that's what that was. And got me. I'll let you try to read it, 'cause I can't pronounce that, but tuner looking car. A Ferrari, this gotta be a Ferrari, an older Ferrari. Got the wiper, he's over on the right side. This is neat. A Lola. Thought it was a Ford GT40. They look similar to that in the front. Sorry about the glare on the glass. These are all cool cars. I think Jimmy Clark used to drive the, sponsored by Sunoco. A BMW, a 99 BMW. Really good looking. Anyone ever hear of Leroy Yarborough? Classic NASCAR. The High Banks Torino. I mean, like the detail. I don't know if you remember or if you watched my other video, but well, here's a body here. You can see. Check out Goodyear. Okay, you can check out the Goodyear tires here. You got the classic. It's lettered in the classic style for the late '60s, early '70s. Dale Unser. Classic NASCAR. Little Plymouth Roadrunner. Doesn't have a driver's name, but good looking cars. This is number 32 at Riverside back in 1970. Oops. Well, it's a Porsche. Yeah. Jägermeister Porsche. They seem to sit. There's something going on there that front end doesn't look as level, or all really good looking cars here. And we got 67 Ford Fairlane, David Pearson. Really nice, really. And you can see the driver is detailed in there. There's paint on the steering wheel. I think some of the gauges are there. Alright, now we got Superbirds. That's good right there. And our last one. '71 Dodge Charger, Daytona, of course. Bobby Isaacs, K&K Insurance. So yeah, you can see we got the driver air intakes there on the side. Got the window bar on the front, two on the back. Really nice collection. You got extra braids. And yeah, I'm gonna stop this video here. Maybe I'll have another update. We'll see, but take care. I'll talk to you later, and thanks for watching.